Again, we'll take a look at the wiring, literally OEM connectors. Also pretty good quality. For the brace, clamps for the exhaust and the tips, the other style clamps. Sorry, so I'm putting this together. Next are these. Got these set up pretty good. Put some like anti-seize on them. That one also. Alright, X-pipe mounted. Everything's like tight but also loose. Not like fully tightened, so I can adjust stuff when it goes on. So, yeah, I'm so looking forward to this. Alright, got the car up in the air. I don't think I've ever showed, maybe I have. This is the hacked together straight pipe that's on here. It's disgusting tips. But yeah, let's take this down and put the new one on. Alright, so what I've decided to do is I'm gonna leave those end pieces off that go to the headers, the bolts of the headers off. I'm going to mount the bracket on here. Everything is tight, but like I said, to the point where I can still move stuff, like angle wise, just like this way. Yeah, so it'll be held up by hangers, and mounted together across with the brace, and also the bracket over there, and then we'll slide on the last pieces once this is on there and mount it all together. Hopefully the other exhaust comes out easy. It's kind of a piece of shit, but yeah, she's looking great. All right, time to start installing. Exhaust is off. All this stuff is off. Got the front O2 sensors. Sorry, the rear O2 sensors still like attached to the car. The front one's removed. The pre-cam one's removed. Yeah, let's do it. All right, what's going on, guys? I got the car back at home. It's a couple weeks later now because after I installed the exhaust, I was pulling out of the parking lot and my throttle actuators went out. So, yeah, I finally have the car back. Got to drive and hear the exhaust for the first time. But I just want to give a little quick show of some of the wiring. This exhaust valves are all powered by it's a little dark in here, but for right now I just have this module and the wiring kind of shoved in this little battery holder here, or the cover, and then the wires run underneath the seats and then through there just for right now, just to have it working at the moment. But later on I will tuck all these wires, and I'm actually going to install a cigarette lighter back here in the carpet, so I can just plug it in back here instead of running it all the way up to my armrest. I also used a you're not gonna be able to see it, a little grommet right under this panel right here to run the wires through. I just had to punch it out from above down to make space for the wires. But yeah, should have some sound clips at the end here also, but